PBK Reviews published an ASMR-style unboxing video for the Pixel 8. It shows that the box will remain largely unchanged compared to the Pixel 8 and Pixel 7, with the usual understated all-white look, only interrupted by the Google logo, the Pixel 8 branding, and an image of the phone itself in the color that you've purchased it in. Opening the box, the first thing you'll see is the phone itself back first. The bigger camera array and the rounded corners make it appear instantly bigger than its predecessor, though based on what we know so far, they should roughly have the same dimensions. In fact, the Pixel 8 is supposed to be just a tad smaller. As expected, the Pixel 8 looks unmistakably Pixel though. Underneath the phone itself, you'll find the usual USB-A to USB-C adapter that Google still includes in the box to this day, along with a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. There is also a small booklet, likely with regulatory information or a quick setup guide. The phone itself has unmistakably rounded corners, a departure from the slightly boxier, but still very much round, look from the current generation. We can even see it turned on briefly with the Welcome to your Pixel setup screen visible. Unfortunately, the phone is running in dark mode, meaning that we can't really see the dimensions of the display. Previous leaks have pointed at even bezels all around though, so there's that. In the comments, PBK also answers a few key questions on the new phone, including a question on which technology Google uses for the fingerprint scanner. Like the Pixels before it, the Pixel 8 sticks with an optical under-display sensor rather than an ultrasonic one. At this point, you won't have to wait long for Google to unveil the Pixel 8 to the public during its big October 4 Made by Google event. The company has already confirmed that it will show the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro there, along with the Pixel Watch 2. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.